All right, guys, back out with the Typhon, or the Python. I keep calling it a Typhon, but it's the Python. So again, still with the 26 tooth pinion. Like I said, it's the biggest one you can fit in there. This is on 6S. I did blow the tires on 6S, the stock ones. So I think I'm going to try to put the foam back in there a little bit and then glue them up real good, and then just use them for maybe bashing later on, or another car for bashing. It'll probably still work for a little while. We'll see. But yeah, that's just too much power, 6S with that big pinion on there. I should have known better. But so we are going to run it like this. Let's get the charged up here. Okay. Let's make sure the tires are a lot smaller. Okay. So that's going to be a plus or a minus, you know. We're going to be going a little slower because of that. So let's track this. Start, stop, read. Okay, track, start. And I'm not forgetting this time, it's testing. Let's show you though, huh? Come on. This camera on my head, it doesn't see it catching it. Let's go. It does look like it's going just a little let's see, guys. Yeah, these tires are a little more squirrely. Turn the dual rate down a little bit so it's not so squirrely. Turn it down to like 40, 37, and let's go. Yeah, she's a little squirrely without getting her started, but once she gets rolling, it's that's pretty sturdy. Let's see what she got here. The little tires are a little slicker, so that was like a nice warm-up run. So all right, I got satellite, stop, read, 78. Okay, we're definitely going to get up there then. Let's see if we can hit that 80 mark, huh? So we're going to track, start. It's reading. I think I had a few more miles an hour in her. I didn't hit the full throttle till it was way past me. So let's bring her down there, huh? There we go. Here we go. Oh yeah. That was full throttle right there, guys. That was a good number. I want to say we're about 82. What do you think? What do you think? Huh? What do you think? 82? That'd be 4 more miles an hour. It was getting up pretty good fast here, and it was full pretty much the whole way. So stop, read. 79. Come on, that looked way faster. I know I've been running the battery a couple times now, so But let's go one more time. Need to try to hit that 80. So we're gonna start. One more time and then we'll call it quits, guys. I cannot get I have an issue getting cars up over 80 miles an hour. I don't know what it is, but this, I mean, this is fast, guys, for this car. So, and those little tires, there we go. Oh, slow down. We're gonna jam it back too. All right. Yeah, it's getting that time of day to where the shadows are getting me. All right, we don't want to go too much. We should be all right though. Yeah, I think it looks sweet with those on there. All right, come on, 80. Come on, 80. Stop. Read. 79 again. All right, that's all we're getting, guys. If I could go one more, I could probably get the 80 out of the stock stuff. So with them smaller tires, because those tires are almost an inch taller at least, so we're going down. But we're gonna put the speed spool in it. I have a 35 tooth gear on it. So it'll be a 35 tooth spur gear, and then we'll put I don't know, I got a 26, 27, I think I have a 30, so we'll fit something in there in between there to go out and give that a test run and see how the spool works from SpeedTek RC, and then go from there, guys. So 79, a new PB for this car. I was trying to get that 80, but I think maybe if I had a fresh battery I would be able to do that. But one more mile an hour, guys, so I'll show you guys what I got in here. So I do have it's just a 6S battery, 5200 milliamp, 50C. I might actually try my bigger batteries. I have Z batteries, a little higher milliamp, plus 100C discharge. So that probably would get me up to there if I did that in this. So I might do that first, but I think I want to put the spool in there. SpeedTek RC fan, motor mount, the 40 millimeter fan going. These work great, guys. The motor's just barely got any warmth to it. So I could have ran it up a couple more times if I wanted to. Yeah, it's not getting hot with that fan, so love it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and you guys all have a great day.